How to fix this accessory may not be supported on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, unplug and replug the accessory. Remove the accessory and plug it back in formally and see if that fixes your issue. If not, check for dirt or debris. Clean your iPhone's charging port gently with a toothpick or a soft brush. The next fix for this issue is restart your iPhone, as sometimes a simple reboot clears all the glitches on your iPhone. Also, you can try another cable or accessory, as it might be a faulty or non-certified device. Use an Apple certified accessory that is MFI certified. And if none of these fixes your issue, make sure you are using the latest version of iOS. To check, launch the Settings application on your device and tap on General and then on Software Update. Keeping iOS updated fixes bugs like this. And the last fix for this issue is to reset settings. In order to reset all settings, in Settings itself, tap on General and scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then on Reset and then on Reset all settings. Enter your Face ID or passcode and reset all settings, as doing this will reset all settings. Nevertheless, none of your data or media will be deleted. Your iPhone will take an auto restart now, and this is how you can fix this accessory may not be supported on iPhone issue. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.